Hey everyone, I'm back in the office and I just did a long video on hypothyroid and Hashimoto's on Facebook, so check it out. What I want you to know is that it is important that you get the right test to determine if you have hypothyroid. So many of my patients will say, I knew I had thyroid issues for years, but every time I went to the clinicians, they told me everything was fine. I had the symptoms, constipation, brain fog, difficulty losing weight. Maybe my mom has it, their aunt has it, and they go year after year and they're told their thyroid is fine. And that's because most clinicians do a test called TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. It's literally a hormone from the pituitary gland to your thyroid, and it says, hey thyroid, you're a little sluggish, wake up, thyroid stimulating hormone. So when the TSH is high, the thyroid is not performing, and it's a way to know that your thyroid is sluggish. So that's correct, it's a good test to do. However, wouldn't it be amazing if there was a test out there that can tell you if you have a thyroid issue cooking, like a pre-thyroid, before that TSH is up? And in fact, there is. It's called thyroid antibodies. Because if you have an autoimmune issue like Hashimoto's, your body will attack your thyroid for years before that TSH goes up. So you can have antibodies, elevated antibodies for years and still be told that your thyroid is fine because your TSH is fine. So it's important that if you feel you have hypothyroid, especially if you have a family history of hypothyroid, that you ask that not only does your clinician do a TSH, ask them to do an antibody test. Because if you have antibodies, even though your thyroid is still okay, there are things that you can do right now today to help prevent it from developing into hypothyroid. Anti-inflammatory diet, supplements such as omega-3, selenium, zinc, vitamin D. And of course, if you already have Hashimoto's, if you already have a thyroid issue, find out if it's Hashimoto's by asking for that same test, the antibody test. And you also can benefit from an anti-inflammatory diet as well as the supplements to help stabilize your thyroid. So no matter if you are thinking you have a thyroid issue and you're trying to figure it out, or if you already have Hashimoto's, it is important to know your antibody status. I hope this helps. I'll talk to you guys soon.